Okay, multimedia. Now that you have your nursery rhyme assignment and you've picked your nursery rhyme, we need to learn how to use Vocaroo. So I'm going to go ahead and type the website up here. So we got Vocaroo.com. It'd be really nice if I'd spell it right now, wouldn't it? Now there's no app or extension for this, and it's pretty darn simple. So what you'll do is you go ahead and you can click this button to get started. You might have to unblock your microphone. I have talked to Miss Schnorbus, and the students need to make sure that their microphones are not blocked. I think that problem has probably been dealt with all this virtual learning, but just to make sure, you probably want to make sure that you can get to your microphone. So I'm going to go ahead and go to allow, and it's recording me. So I might say, Mary had a little lamb. Mary had a little lamb. Its fleece was white as snow, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. Now, right now, I can tell you by looking at this that I only have 27 seconds, so I wouldn't have met my time. So most likely I would go back and re-record, maybe get a longer poem, see if there's more stanzas or paragraph-like things with this. But let's say it is correct. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Save and Share. And this is a bunch of scary stuff. We don't need all this. So if you go to download, make sure, let's see if we can't save that as a wave. And then I'd put nursery. I'm a horrible speller when it comes to those words I don't use all the time. So let's see if it worked. So to try it out, and if you turn in probably a MP3, you'll get a deduction, but a wave just works nicely. And if your teachers want to burn a CD of it, then it works really nicely. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to double click to make sure everything worked out. And it's recording me. So I might say, this is just fine. Then I would go into my Google Classroom assignment for the nursery rhyme in Vocaroo. I'd go to Add. I'd go to Upload, Files, and then I would go to my downloads, and I would turn in the wave file that looks like this that I just made.